Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. I'm Sammy and this is Harley's Dollhouse. So for the video today is a Fruity Girl collab hosted by the Dolly Geek. And for this collab we made dolls that are based off different fruits, which I think was really cool. And the other artists that are in the collab are Blurred Colors Art, Doll Maker, I Could Do That DIY, Josephine's Creatures, Pixie, and Steph Oo Dolls. And make sure you head over to see everyone else's doll videos because they all turned out super amazing. The links will be in the description down below. Now let's move on to the doll that I created for the collab. And continuing on with my cowl series, I used my lime cowl for this collab since she fits the collab theme so well. The doll I am using is Karma from Rainbow High. Let's go ahead and heat up her head and pop out her eyes. And similar to my orange cow, she has lime slice looking eyes that I printed out and added inside the original Rainbow High eyes. And if you guys have not seen that video yet to see how I reuse the Rainbow High eyes instead of making new ones, like if you don't have a 3D printer or anything like that, it's definitely a good way to create eyes for your Rainbow High dolls if you don't want to use the original ones. I'll leave the link down below for you guys. And as you see, I already started on her face after I sprayed a layer of MSE, and I used some brown pastel to go ahead and sketch out her eyebrows. So moving on to the shadow part of the eyes, which is actually very frustrating throughout this whole entire process. I used the same neon shadows that I used on the orange one, but because she is a darker skin tone, it took a good bit of layering, and I think around the third one with just the neon eyeshadows I got frustrated, and then I tried using white over the pastels and then adding the neon shadow again, and it still wasn't vibrant enough. So after that I just decided to use gouache paint to make the eyeshadow more vivid. And after the gouache paint is fully dried, I sprayed the face with 2 layers of Mr. Super Clear just to really set the gouache paint in so it doesn't move around while I'm painting more gouache paint on top. So now I'm using a dark brown color to paint the lower lashes. And using some black acrylic paint, I am giving her a nice little cat eyeliner. And to finish up the face here, I'm just using a little bit of dark brown pastel to soften up the lower lash line, and I will use some white gouache paint to add white eyelash highlights. So for her swimsuit, I wanted to give her a cute puffy sleeve shirt. I'm using the top part of this dress pattern from DG Requiem. It actually fits rainbow high pretty well. And first I am going to add a dart here on the top side of the top. And for the sleeves, I'm going to do a gather stitch on the top and the bottom, and then I'll attach it to the top part and then sew them together, right sides together. Also for the sleeves, I'm going to add some lace. And here is how it looks all finished. I added a bow and a little lime slice in the middle, and I also gathered the front just to give a little more of an interesting neckline. And also for the shoes, I just painted these rainbow high shoes white and added a little bow and some lime slices. And now let's look at all the dolls. And here they are. They look absolutely amazing. So make sure you head over to everybody's channel and go check out their videos because they look stunning. So what do you think about my lime cow? Let me know in the comments down below. So she was actually supposed to have a mermaid tail. I just actually didn't have time lately to work on it. I've been very busy, but I will shortly make it. And then if you also follow me on Instagram, you will see the pictures of her with her mermaid tail. And also if you're interested in purchasing her, both of them are currently up for sale on my Etsy shop. I will leave the link down below for you guys. Alright you guys, thank you so much for your love and support for my channel. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. I will see you next time. Bye bye!